Zonet sungkon si Bayvek wala Miss Mizoram sang hi song priat atanga kan na siat lar lili la rem kimi Darnei Kawmna hun kan mangdona niya ani hi Miss India Mizoram sang hi song priat ni in Mizoram State Miss India azuk representa swang takin kan lo thlir hawani kha Miss India journey hi kan shat sak vek karinga lili kan kom hal mol mol lili dam thaim dam thae klome even nal reng ve akha in so
klome nang pui nal tu
thank you ni Miss India sang ni song priat stage kha aro pui man stage production ta khatro khatyang stage ro pui lutuk lighting for ro pui Miss India ron en tura local po miro pui mo India rama po kan celebrities lian tak ten oma khang zinga khan Miss India Mizoram sang ni song priat lili le rem kimi Darnei tin ron announce dum ta ni kami feeling kha ka chak anwa mem
nuam ve khop mai kan karin phak bak ani engkim kha ke ni tan chuan thil thar ve kan to anita chu wangin nuam lutuk ke ma khan eng ma kha enge ka stress du to lo kha moment kha aron thleng to lo enge future aron thleng to don lo wangin chu wangin just enjoy the moment kan ni top
competition feeling po ni lutuk to lo ni mo
because everyone thinks that they are capable of winning the crown.
Yes.
So you know we are in a competition with ourselves, not with any other. So
anwam boxing ni mo.
Yeah.
Anwam lu to competition ni di point take trip ni mo. Ni Miss India te Miss Mizoram te ka zo ma chain nang ma hi shat jan na hun ni lokin mo khoya ngei pian.
Ke chu fyang pui half longa.
Chuan
Assam.
Isailan po katiro mon da ngai nom lo
2003 akan Shillong akan oma chuan 2004 akan kan ron let le
chuan lom
kan lom char
ani le inu le pa te mission them
kapa chu reverend dc hai Darnei ania chuan kanu chu rohlu pui Darnei ani chuan u pakhat kaneya aming chu roslal dinai
una pani chau me cha ve ani chu ni education lam kan zo dei chenga he beauty pageant lamai kal na chungin tuna engei zirmek
tuna hian BSc first year chemistry Zonet Shillong akazir
anni khanin Miss India tel theitur ini tin shat khanin eting cholte khan pe theiche enting kha khalai commercial chang theyam
karin ain ka teachers te HOD le principal te han lo supportive ma chuan ka vadil khan min lo sha thiama chuan leave po second semester hi chu min pe phal
one semester kha leave an pe top che ai an sha thiam le me an tui pui che ni chu to an du sak le me che
an pulu tu kan ni po
avan lomom ve ni Miss Mizoram sang hi song priat atangin Mizo mi pui atam zok chuan kan lo hmel shat ta che atro Miss Mizoram ilotel ma khan pageant dang mo competition dang show ilotel thin to ema main
lotel thin to 2015 a khan Sunset Mega Miss North East a khan top 5 leng kha kani a chuan 2016 a khan big kala a chuan 2018 a pathian zara Miss Mizoram karon tel theile ani
chuan ni Miss Mizoram sang ni song priat kha iron tel ta audition round na tangin Mizo tamzok mi pui tamzok han lili tunge anta an chan hal chea mo la hal
ro pui khap me
anwam via wang tera ron vek Mizoram iron kala iron lar hal ringot me mo anom via karing ani ni Miss Mizoram sang ni song priat contest kha anwami tiem experience kha ka zot du che
yes anwam lutuk chuan ke katan chuan half longa khot tereute nia chuan khata enge Mizoram te hi inspiration ang khan kan nei thi na shem chuan heta ani laya chen le hi anom ma chuan kalom ani
ani le mo Miss Mizoram contest chung zong khan nuam iti ber le shom iti ber
Miss Mizoram la nuam ka ti ber chu ka kalna piang hin a hian กันมีเตหีกันหูเวกตัวข้าขันหนวมกติเอ็งมาเหล่าตูปอมเราว่าเกมานี่มีเตเวกันนี่บางคันข้าขันหนวมกติอาจวนเชอมกติเบลจูมิโซจงอะมิโซจงดูโตก็สวยเทโลค่ะเชอมกติเบล
อันนี้ไม่ใช่มิโซจงอีวันที่ทำตัวเวียที่ทำตัวเล่ไหมเนี่ยมิโซรำสังนี่สมเปรียดคอนเทสต์คนไลค์คันอินทิเซียกบอลรักค่ะสู้สังอันนี้มั่วคอมเพติชันก็สังตัวก็ส่วนโซเชียลมีเดียคันหนังมาจุงจังค่ะกันมุนเซลตัวก็หนังมาปนิหมู่กริงอ่ะมั่วชมอิติทรีเนี่ยมันก็ยังไงกัน
เชอมที่ฟักเรากี่ชวน because I'm a very positive girl so I take things positively and I wanted to like see all the good sides of the people so I don't let negativity
comes to you
comes to me so you know ขัดยังซงอาปคันI have that peace in me. So.
Inti boy tir dulu ni.
Yeah. Juan rupui kati chu keima tana enge min lo chap pui tu she om lo ti tu.
She om lo ti tu. Tuar pui tu ang te.
Khang te kha rupui kati juan kalom ani.
I react ngai lo tro social media han like I answer ngai lo wing ka siya mo tro
ka answer ngai lo
that is very wise
yeah because I accept people's differences because it's their opinion
min du tu na mga min du lo tu na mga
so doesn't matter I have my opinion you have your opinion
a traffic mai tro so ti chu ni Miss Mizoram contest kanin engi azir tir che nang ma hi engi izir chwa
Miss Mizoram lai khachuan it makes my love for my people more stronger than before
kai izir chwa cha ni ma okay great so ti chu ni Miss Mizoram kha alo zo ta ni grand finale lo zo wa top 5 ai itlinga chan kamizan te khanin I top 3 khanilo mala backstage khanin thlak pui tur cha anon line sham ani mo nang ma supporters kan an tam ma so Miss Mizoram in Zowa Guwahati Miss India audition turin in kalngala after 2 days mingkal kha
after 2 days
in restman law ni tro
kan restman
in zukala so Guwahati audition khanin state dang ai khan Mizoram kha anti rei ni tro zona kha an zot rei so kha enge achan than tur kha an shelo mi amongst you
san kha harantia an mani puin chuan because everyone was capable of becoming Miss India Mizoram so even the judge find it really hard.
So all of you
so don't be scared. We are beautiful there. Come out.
Kan ber turan shalo ni so in chalom lu to katro. So anin kalaya tak kan soi chang lo nga thir tumi puite jinga shalo te pon lo ompal theya Miss India tel tur hi Miss Mizoram anni wanga tel thei anni lawa Miss India organization hianin ashan pa in audition an ron nei le a khata khan an du ber khan ron thanga Miss Mizoram ina adu atir lamani lawa Miss India in an du tak kha audition nakal kha an lo thang chuak le thina ni ti kha kan soi fia lo kan ni khlai kha ni
kalom lu tu ke
Lily po kha Miss Mizoram khan top 5 atlinga Miss Mizoram po ani chuang lo nangin Miss India Mizoram ni tur khan Miss India Mizoram state represent turin ani khan an thang ti na zo kan ni chu chuanin Miss India Mizoram 2018 tur khan nang ma khan thang ta cha East Zone crowning ay zukal le ta tro khata khan engtia ringin competition khay nei tela tro
competition kha I kay mani northeastern chuan competition kha ni to lowa subtitles sia kha ni to ma se aming phutak tak kha chu competition kha kan nei to lo Guwahati kha nan sangvek to
subtitles so competition
subtitles sia ma se East Chhattisgarh Orissa West Bengal te chu competition kha la nei finalist pathum man lan yan นี่ค่ะจวนคาตาฮันนิลีอีโซนคันนิลีกันมังคุตา
จวนนี่ subtitles ค่ะอี competition จวนเอ็งซานเงยวิน
อีโซน่ะจวนปทุม
เอ็งติ้งเอ็มไม่ชิลเทมให้ซาชกันมุดเจ้า
Miss Fashion Icon เลย Miss Body Beautiful and
Swiss Gold ก็จะ Miss Congeniality ที่มี
Yes Miss Congeniality
ส่วนนี้อีเลตัมเบรม subtitle ที่มีดังเตเองปทุมละเวนอมเมม
เกี่ยมาจ้ะ
นังมาจ้ะกันทะเลตีน่านี่จุดรอส่วน Miss India Fashion Icon subtitle ค่ะให้มีละตัวขันตัวเต็งปุยเจ
คาตาคันมุมไบกระชุงเตมาริอาฟานายเต family ปุยมินโลจันปุยลุตุกะอามาบิกตะกินอาคุณเตอเซงจวนอามาเฮียนทิลเองกิมาเฮียนคุตามุมไบกับชุงขจวนมินบวยปุยจวน fashion icon ปุเฮียนอามาฮี she is one of the reason she is one of the reason so ama chunga poyan lom thu ka soi du ani min pui ema chuan chung taka min lo en kolawang po khan lom thu ka soi ani
chuan Miss East Zone crowning atangi ni lo hota subtitle pathumi ron honta chuan Miss India tel turin preparation hun po inei lo lutuk ta ni in po chana kha hau taka ti tur khan ron long list khan ron pe chaw tro a big takin Cox and Kings le I Beauty with a Purpose project ka I how tak deu ning ka khamishil fa them
hun la a hlem si one ela che box si chu Cox and Kings ka chu ka thian pa de di nen kan ti hawa chuan khata khan Mizorama mun sang te kan fangkwa la khata kan shu ta katan po til thar ani be to
thar ikal ngai lo na
an wam kha ka ti ma chuan khata Cox and Kings siam na min tran pui tu zong po an chunga po an mani po an fel tu ka chuan enge ka project hian Miss India hian min support ani chuan kalom lutuk an chunga po enge an mizo hlom ngai na kha alang be tela chuan ke po kha kazir tela ni
avan travea chu zerlai ta dei zuk zer chwa kani mo
chuan beauty with a purpose apokhan health department tenen kan ti hawa chuan ka project po hloshing an mani zara chuan mizoram mi puite chunga po kalom ni an mani po min ron troi om khopa wakathon ka nei na project apokhan kalom ani khatyang
local tam tu ta pokhan
kan rin ain an ron tam kha aro pui ka ti kalom ani
supporters kai nei thatop ani tu ro ani chu ni chuan Miss India Kaldona khan ka soi tong khan import cha na tur kha tam lut to ka how takani mani na ti thengna lawa I Cox and Kings le BWAP kan soi to ta khami pyala ma khanin Miss India chung zonga photo shoot te appearances in nei na tura khan kor chi sang khan on demand ani less thui lu to kamo khatyang anga kori hak turanga khan I apui tu te kha ka shedu tu ten nge pui che
Miss India tura list kha tam mani ke ma ni ke ma mimal kha ta chuan ka thi the nya lo wanga ma se tran pui tu hian lo zela chuan ka van nei tak zatani an mani min tran pui tu awangin tizara heti leng karon kal thei po hi kalom mani chuan an mani designers ho hi Mizoram designers te ho hi kan thiam ma se enge mi hian min shelo hi apoi ka ti ma chu wangin designers te po hi eng ka pho chuak du awangin an designs te hi ka wa hatani chuan chu designers fel chunga anni te ho chu hena khyang te hi nya in traffic anga chuan manun te silo chuan rempui mar chuan sangboi vakiria te po hi an fak ka ti hle a an mani hi kong tina hian min thangpui tu hi an nia wang hian an mani chunga po ka lom thu ka sia chuan thian thar Christine V ama po kor thadeu deu min three saka kalom ani chunga po chuan ethnic warehouse le moi te I le style vibes de ki by de ki le shop at judi po in khatyang kor tha min kentir kha kalom ani in chunga po
lom tu sen turinga le mi pi tu inga bo ka ti ro
nuam
lom le me ni Miss India sub contest kha engzang ni la kha
Miss India sub contest a chuan pahni
tinge kha
Miss Fashion Icon le Miss Iron Maiden
chuan ni fashion icon kha engtinge don kha mishal the Miss India bika khan
fashion icon hi chu date form hi min pe a khata khan date sang a khan airport look arrival look le khatyang look chi sang kha
appearance nei piang in don ha kang kha
chuan sponsor visiting te khata kan kor hak shim te ho kha kha inti siak na ani to a in tran to a arrival look atang khan chuan khata tang khan an ron judge chowa min shortlist
hang song kha shortlist na nan manga chuan itling
ka singa khatyang khan an judge ani Miss Fashion Icon chuan khata khan fashion icon shortlist ho kha min ko led le a khata khan sub
contest ashan pa in
kan nei le a khata khan
for fashion icon
for fashion icon
chuan ta khan nge ha kha
Miss India kha chuan hana khyang te ta Mizo traditional and urban look ang style kha
moi deu me kha
chuan khata khan kan kor hak te kha kan va showcase ta judge ma khata khan an judge na ber chu kan kor hak kha engtiang in nge kan feel engtiang nga enge mi mu tura engtiang a define thange kan ni kan kor hak kha an shedu a chuan khata khan ke chuan kha mizo traditional kor karon ha atang khan ka define ta khata khan the diamond motifs shows the values of the tribals and kor
hak lai bitani soyemi
ka soya bang khan tian ka enzel and also the different colors defines the unity in diversity and the arrows which points downwards shows the arrows which were once used by our ancestors and which define the victory of the tribals. So that's how I define. And
so
after
you
that,
told the whole story about the tribal to me.
And also at the back of my jacket, there was one Mizo woman and
a portrait of it.
One Mizo woman, and then there I define like the headgear vakiria and the necklace and the shawl, and after that I told them that if you're
so excited nuami titop formal kakaning kom na chukan tito pa nga informal part le ma afan de ule ka kan lutanga mo rapid fire round kan tianga ka zot cheng min ron chil ngal char don ya oi lo soi ngal don ya in ring tiro tungay nu na poi mo ber
kanule pa
favorite model Mizole international
Mizo Chuan Boy Boy and international Gigi Hadid.
Favorite outfit?
Jacket.
Favorite time pass?
Listening to music.
Then Zonet TV Bear.
Voxa.
Voxa itu tui ni etro.
Tui ni.
Mi zong shat sa kazot don che lili hi amel thasi athelo si bel pa anayam mitya min zot chena. Kan zot teng si bel pa inayam.
Yes. Fair and honest.
Ni favorite politician?
Modi.
Favorite color?
Red.
Favorite word?
Favorite word? Fair.
Fair. Smile, sweet, fair. Total me.
I don't know, that just came in my mind.
Alright, good
fair.
then.
Because what comes in your mind?
Yes.
So fair.
Ni ko velay hutsak ber.
Mun mo missing.
Mishing lem hun po ya. Mishing ni ta se ko tungay hutsak ber.
Missing chuan an tam lutuk.
Pakat kanin so ke tam de uzin.
Pakada ni chuan Susmita Sen.
Okay, then ni mun place sa ko ngay hutsak ber.
Kamuchak.
Kaltsak na ber.
Bero omlo.
Kaltsak vek.
Oh, kalchak vek.
Kalvek ngay ni so.
Kalvek ngay.
Ni word ka so til ka so nga ka so zo roal iril rule lang isoy don whatever comes to your mind the moment I say it.
Again, okay.
Miss Mizoram organizing team.
Sarma puya.
Miss India organization.
Natasha Glover.
Rodi H. Vanashat Pui.
Miss India Mizoram, the first lady.
Ni Instagram.
No like. You love me. Instagram is all about like.
Ni Lily Darnei fans.
Love you.
Ale kan sang chakop me ipas tape.
Thank you.
Lily Darnei kom na hun chatak me min pe I buai ti kan sha I ha res na hun poila nei lo tro.
Oh, le nei san lo.
Res na hun po nei lo win ti khan in kom na hun chatak min pe the kan lom khop me ya here to mi pui te pon mo na min ti kan be se ya khati zong kha kan in kom te le kon so ne kan lom me.